Did I get played? Don't play me like that.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Destiny. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So I was waiting for this package to come tomorrow, but it showed up on my doorsteps today, and I can't be even more excited because you know what that means? Another video to film for you guys, plus more products. So today, I will be doing another Sephora PlayBox haul. What I got this month. This is for March. Yeah, it's for March, and I can't wait. I didn't even open it. Like I literally just got it. So I'm excited. So let's open her up. Now, I did think I said that I was going to do, when did I get one? I don't remember the last time I got one, but I was going to do the video for that, but honestly, I forgot how to open this. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this is like really, there we go. Ah, this is so cute. I need to stop screaming like that. Thumbnail. Okay, so this is so cute. Like, it just makes you think of March. Like, it's so green, so vibrant. It's so cute. So, let's just... Oh, this is like a jungle theme. Oh, I'm in love with what they sent me. Okay, so we have the Wild Beauty for this month of March. Obviously, we have the All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. We also have a quenching hydrating primer by Tarte. We also have a Glow Star Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. We have a Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Wit Moisturizer. We have a Dry Bar Clear Invisible Dry Shampoo. And for bonus, because you know they always give us the bonus, they know we love the bonuses now. We have a Versace Bright Crystal. Ooh, got me some Versace. Stop, don't do that to me. Don't. I'm already bougie. Don't make me even more bougier. Alright, so let's dive into our little box. Excitement level 100. It is. It is. I'm excited. Alright, so first things first, I pulled out is the Detox Clear Invisible Dry Shampoo. So what this says is that this totally clear dry shampoo keeps your hair fresh and clean. No one has to know you didn't get a chance to visit the watering hole. So I don't know how this does on African American hair. I'm really not trying to try it out. But I guess for those that have finer hair, more on like the Caucasian side or whatever other hair textures that use this, maybe. I'm not really sure how this does on African American hair. Like, I'm just not sure about this. I mean, I'll try it out, but like I said, I'm not 100% sure how it does on African American hair. If you guys do know how it works on African American hair, please comment down below. Let me know if it works, if you use it, or if not, because no say. I really don't know about that one. But it's cute, though. I like how cute it is. And I've kind of always wanted to go to Dry Bar to get a blowout, but then I also read some reviews and watched some things, and it just changed my mind. So, yeah. Now we have the Tarte C Quench Hydrating Primer. Counts on this primer. It keeps your makeup in place while also hydrating skin and protecting it from pollution. Ooh, y'all trying to protect us from pollution now. Oh. Is it like, oh. It's like, you guys can't really see, but it's like that. Oh, it's very oily or very hydrating. Let's put a little bit under the eyes. Let's see what kind of magic it does for under the eyes. Wow. Do we see a difference? Oh, y'all wasn't gonna tell me I had lip gloss like on my chin this whole time? Next, we have the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Oh. These products just keep getting smaller and smaller, honey. I don't know how to wear eyeliner, but this is so cute. Oh, my nails are so ratchet. Wow, that's actually really cute. Ooh. I like that. Yeah, I like that. If y'all know what movie that's from, comment down below. If you don't know, woo. Don't know what to tell you. Next, we have the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Never heard of this brand. I have never heard of this brand. Y'all know how I feel about moisturizers, so let's just test this out. Ooh, it's giving me like a little mousse feeling. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, wait, I like that. That feels very nice. Oh, I like that. But it just sucks that it comes in like such a small thing. When I like things like that and it comes so small, don't play me like that. Alright, next we have the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer Hydrating Mega Illuminant Nude Glow. So we're about to see Nude Glow. I am dark skin, so not really sure if Nude Glow changes anything, but keep skin looking glowy and feeling dolphin levels of hydrated with this versatile illuminating moisturizing. Dolphin levels. Don't tell me that this has like wow, you know what this could be used as? Say you don't want to wear like makeup for a day, but you still want to look glowy, dewy, moisturized, and illuminating hydrated. This right here. Like, look. This side looks so dry, and this side is like, oh. Ooh, wait, look at that, y'all. Look, this side's so dry, but look. Oh, I like that. Okay, heard you. Now, last but not least, Versace. We have some Versace Bright Crystal. Oh, this is actually cute packaging. Even though this is like the simple small size, this is really cute. Like, that's so cute. The real thing is, how does it smell? How do you smell? Oh, and this comes up to 36 months. Girl, I'm only going to give me like a little quarter spray out of this. I don't want to spray it. Hold up. Is there anything in this? Did I get played? Oh, there it is. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. What is it? Ice colored. Wow, that smells really good. This is everything I guess that's in it. It's right here. Okay, Versace. Okay, Donatella. What's this? Wow, that smells really good. Wow, I may just purchase the big bottle because that smells really good. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but don't know what to tell you. But if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel right now. Ahora. Do it right now. Hit that bell for the post notifications so you know when I post. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. God loves you.